If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it to get our latest videos.
Hey guys, today I'm here with the Moto G10 mobile review, Moto G10 Power. So this is what the box looks like. Actually, the price mentioned in the box is way more than the retail price. In retail, you can get it around 10,000 in Flipkart.
It also comes with a 6000 mAh battery life and also quad camera setup. So without further ado, let's open it up and check it out. What all we get on this box. Here is the phone itself, the G10 Power. Also comes with a 20-watt charger. The back looks really nice. And you can see the fingerprint scanner in the back. Let's check out what else we get. So here we get a couple of manuals related to the phone. And here we get the SIM ejector too. So this is a SIM ejector too. It's supposed to be in that sheet. I don't know why it's separated from the cardboard piece. That's how it should. Anyway, we have the 20-watt charger. This is the 20-watt charger, and it also comes with a USB Type-C port. So here's the cable. This is a Type-C port. So that's all we get in this box. We don't get any headphones in this box. Just the charger and a Type-C cable and a mobile phone. And also the SIM ejector too. That's everything we get on this phone. Let's turn this phone on and check it out. Here you can see the quad camera setup on this phone. A single LED flash. It also uses artificial intelligence to enhance the picture quality of this phone. Let's take this sticker out. The back looks really good. You won't get any fingerprints on the back, and it's also very gripful to hold. It doesn't slip that easily. Here you can see the volume button and a on-off button, and also a dedicated button to Google Assistance. Let's turn this phone on. So this is how it looks like. Hello, Moto. I'll be uploading a detailed review of this phone by using it for a few days. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll upload the video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.